How to use ChatGPT to detect malware. As an AI language model, ChatGPT can provide general information about malware detection, but it is not specifically designed to detect malware on your device. Here are some general tips on detecting and preventing malware on your device. 1. Install and regularly update antivirus software. Antivirus software can detect and remove malware from your device. Make sure to install a reputable antivirus program and keep it up to date. 2. Use a firewall. A firewall can prevent unauthorized access to your device and block malware from communicating with the internet. 3. Be cautious of email attachments and downloads. Malware can be spread through email attachments and downloads from untrusted websites. Be cautious of any files you download or open, and always scan them with antivirus software before opening them. 4. Keep your operating system and software up to date. Software updates often include security patches that can help prevent malware attacks. 5. Monitor your device for unusual activity. Keep an eye out for any unusual activity on your device, such as pop-ups, strange messages, or new programs that you did not install. If you suspect that your device has been infected with malware, run a scan with your antivirus software and seek help from a professional if needed. 6. Providing information on common malware types. ChatGPT can provide information on common types of malware, such as viruses, trojans, and spyware. This information can help users identify and understand the potential risks of downloading or opening certain files or programs. Credit, Panda Security. 7. Offering tips for safe browsing. ChatGPT can provide tips and best practices for safe browsing on the web, such as avoiding suspicious websites and downloads, keeping software up to date, and using antivirus software. 8. Assisting with malware removal. ChatGPT can provide guidance on how to remove malware from infected devices, such as running antivirus scans, using malware removal tools, and resetting web browsers. Credit, Panda Security Media Center. 9. Recommending cybersecurity resources. ChatGPT can recommend cybersecurity resources, such as websites, forums, or chatbots, that can help users identify and prevent malware on the web. Overall, ChatGPT can be a helpful tool for providing information and recommendations on how to detect and prevent malware on the web. However, it is important to note that ChatGPT should not be relied upon as the sole method of detecting malware, and users should take appropriate precautions to ensure their devices and personal information are protected.